Hello, this is December 31st, 2025, and I decided to dump one of those bags, can't think of what they're called, to see if there's any potatoes in here. And so far, hey, not bad. See if there's anything else in here. There was the potato I started with. Another little one. Well, it looks like that's about all there is in this one. I think I'll go get the other one, see what's in there. All right, here's the other bag. Grow bag, that's what these things are called. And we'll see what we have here. As you can tell, this potato plant never did get very big. So let's go ahead and dump it. And see if there's anything in here. No, I guess not. Oh, wait a minute. There's a little one. Well, it's not much, but it is better than I expected. Didn't really expect to find anything at all in here. Oh, there's another one. Oops, another little one. Nothing I would call a fantastic harvest, but considering it's the almost end of December, that's not too bad. Still got this bag here that seems to be doing a little better. This one that's still somewhat alive. And this one here that's doing a whole lot better. I've also got some tomatoes. Got one ripening right here. And there are two more right next to it, plus one dead one. I got a couple green ones in here. Well, actually, 4 green ones. Got another green one right there. Actually, 2 green ones. I got this one ripening. Looks like it's time to pick it. I got 2 more over here. And one down there a little bit. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, right there. And I've got some more tomato plants, more tomatoes growing along here. All in all, I'm well pleased. I mean, who would have thought I'd have any kind of harvest at the end of December? These potato plants are, well, they're starting to die back. Some of them in front here are still doing okay. Got this one pea plant that I must have dropped a seed somewhere right there. The couple of the pea plants are doing well, and got more potato plants dying back over here. The green bean plants that managed to sprout are starting to flower. So that's, let's see, get over here where you can see it. Starting to flower. So that's good. Don't know if they'll survive long enough to get any green beans out of them, but hey, nothing ventured. And I got more potato plants in this patch right here. This is where I buried the kitchen scraps, including potato peels. You can see I've got some potatoes coming up there. We've got some coming up here. Even got one right there. Right there. I'm kind of surprised. Pleasantly so. Not a lot else going on. I trimmed back my grape plant somewhat. And some of that dead and overgrown stuff out of here. I still got more work to do on it, but I was trying to clear out some of this so I could put another row of vegetable scraps in there. Onions are doing great. I don't use very much in the line of onions in my cooking, but they're there if I need them. Celery. I haven't had any celery in a long time. It might be all right. I don't know. We'll see. I may cut some and see what it's like for dinner. And I've still got these green pepper plants, bell pepper plants growing. You can see where the bugs have got some of it. That's okay. I say if the bugs eat them, it means they're good, not poisoned. Well, that's what I've heard anyway. Not a lot going on. Not much difference on the moringa tree. It's still recovering, doing well. Orange tree is growing very, very slowly. Maybe this spring it'll pick up some. And I'm going to get my few little potatoes and go back inside. Well, that's all for now. I'll catch you guys later. Take care. Bye.